Hello, welcome to High Time, the cookery show where the cooking doesn't matter because most of the time we get it wrong. Which means we have to come back and do a video like this where we're doing donuts again, but properly. No raw in the middle donuts, no half-baked ideas. In the meantime, down here, the like and subscribe button, hit all that jazz and the bell so you get notified about the new videos. Down the other in the description is links to all of our social media, including our subreddit where you can get the recipe for this. Later on, we're going to be doing the donut challenge. Hashtag donut challenge. In the meantime, I'm Matt. That's Ulton right there.
Hello.
Down there's Daffy. I think it's high time we made some proper, actual, cooked in the middle donuts. I'm using the same recipe, the exact same recipe, except I've used the original amounts, because last week, or the week before, whenever we did donuts first, the original recipe and a half, and had loads of stuff left over. I just stuck to the original recipe, which you'll find down below in the description, and I've rolled it out thinner, so we're going to get cooked, proper, fried, delicious donuts. We're going to try and get something going here, just something fun on the internet, because the internet is sometimes full of doom and gloom and people being nasty, so let's just do something fun. It's the donut challenge, and all you got to do is either make or buy sugar donuts and then try and eat one without licking your lips. Very difficult, but it's fun. It's not about eating loads of donuts and promoting gluttony. It's having one donut and having some fun on the internet. Some nice wholesome fun. It'll be even holier wholesome fun if you put a hole in your donut. See what I did there? That was nearly a pun. It's an IKEA pun. Put it together yourself. I got some oil on, same recipe here, it's rolled out. I've actually rolled it out this time. So it's thinner, more uniform. I've got some sugar to put them into. I've got some homemade jam going on because I had some berries in the fridge. I was like, I got strawberries and I got raspberries. I'm gonna put them in a saucepan with some sugar, reduce it down and get some nice, sticky, homemade fruit wholesome jam. Which won't be ready for the donuts. But that doesn't mean I can't do two things at once. Even if only one of them is for the video. So you gotta heat up your oil. We're gonna go to about 170. Last week we went to about 185. I think it was a bit too hot. So we're gonna cut it at 170. Let's cut out our donuts. And at the end, we're gonna try and eat some of these donuts without licking our lips. And then we're gonna tag people. That's right. We're gonna send this challenge out into the world. If you can do it, stick a video on Facebook or Twitter or YouTube, or any site that you do a Snapchat of it, with the hashtag donut challenge. If you want to be really cool, you can say where you saw the idea, which would be here, you know. But that's not really important. Just make some stuff or have some fun on the internet, you know. Don't be trying to eat laundry pods without licking your lips. That's a bad time. If you're going to eat laundry pods, make sure you lick your lips and get it all. By the way, if you took part in that challenge, you're a bit of a moron. Would you agree?
I would definitely agree. Hang on. What the hell is that about?
I mean, how did you think that was going to end? You know, it was like the cinnamon challenge years ago. Spoonful of cinnamon. Like, if you see one person choking, you can be like, maybe I won't choke if I eat a spoon of cinnamon. But then you try it and you choke and then you become the second person. So then the third person sees two people doing it and thinks, maybe I'm the chosen one. You're not. You're gonna choke on cinnamon and look like a fool. Same with the Tide Pods. But donuts, nobody looks foolish eating a donut. Unless you're trying not to lick your lips. We're nearly there with the oil. But that doesn't matter, through the magic of editing, Ulton can just chop. The oil is ready. And then we just drop our donuts in. Look at these. They're just like, they look more like cookies. They're that thin and dainty, delicious. Get them into your oil. Don't overload the oil because then that will drop the temperature of the oil. So like, we're not in a rush here. I'm gonna put like 6 in because it's a big pan and a little low. So I feel kind of guilty because last time I didn't really have any facts about donuts, apart from the fact that they came from Amsterdam. This week I have a fact about the donuts, which is that the world's largest donut was 1,841 feet and 10 inches long. There's no way that one was cooked in the middle. You turn your donuts over, get a nice colour going on them. So the hashtag donut challenge. When you do it, tag somebody else. Hashtag donut challenge. Can you eat a sugar donut without licking your lips? If you can, you win. If you can't, you don't. There's no major rules to it. It's not for money. It's not for anything. It's just a bit of fun. Hashtag donut challenge. Film yourself eating a sugar donut without licking your lips. And then tag somebody else and make them do it as well. Just a bit of fun. And if you can't have donuts, well, I'm very sorry. Make gluten-free donuts. Buy gluten-free donuts. We're just making donuts. Hashtag donut challenge. They've been in for long enough. Get them out then on some kitchen paper or kitchen towel. We're going to do one more batch. We're not going to do all these. We're going to do one more. Second batch in. I'm going to say like 2 minutes aside. That's lowest. Oil is about 170 in normal, whatever that is in American. I don't know. If we're going to go with this donut challenge, we probably should put in American measurements. This oil is 2 cups degrees hot. Is that how it works?
Totally. Yeah, nailed it.
Super. Flip them over. Oh, and if any other YouTube cookery foodie type channels want to get in on this, do it. You know, all the big ones, you all know who you are. All the little ones, we all know who we are. Do it, doesn't matter, have some fun. Hashtag donut challenge. So once they've had a second to kind of drain on some paper, get them into some sugar. And that is a proper sugar donut. I'm going to get these out of the oil. We're going to sugar them all up. We're going to tidy up. We're going to top up the coffee. And then we're going to try the hashtag donut challenge. As I said, if you'd like the video, like and subscribe down here. It'd be fantastic. Hit the bell for notifications so you know when we get a new video up. Down in the description is links to all of our social media, including the subreddit, where all of our recipes occasionally get updated whenever I feel like it. But in the meantime, it's high time we try the hashtag donut challenge. Woo! Alright, everybody, this is Tom. Say hi, everybody. Hi. Tom's going to help us do the donut challenge, which is eating one of these sugar donuts from start to finish without licking your lips. Mm-hmm. You ready?
No.
Here we go. We have to do it as well.
Okay.
Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. He said he had a trick to doing it, and I'm trying to see what that trick is.
He's gone zen.
It is, he's meditating. That's impressive. He's in the zone.
He's got it. Oh my god, he's got it.
He's really going in there. Are they good? Are they good donuts? Yeah.
And fully cooked.
Fully cooked all the way through. They're amazing. Keep going, you're gonna swallow the whole thing. You did it.
That was good.
You did it. I failed, I just licked my lips.
I may have failed halfway through, I think I instinctively did it. It's hard, okay?
It is hard. Hashtag donut challenge. Try it yourself. Stick a video on whatever social media you're using and then tag somebody else. Just have some fun.
Secret trick.
Wait till the end and then use your arm sleeve.
It's not licking your lips, he's got a point. Rewind, it never happened.
Found a loophole. Give it a go.